So Stuart Law, resigning as West Indies cricket coach, grabs the attention of the Maverick this evening. The Australian claims he got a coaching job in England and he wants to be closer to his family and blah, blah, blah. Now, whether he finally realized that he was getting basket for carry water, or him sissy, the West Indies no good none at all, and decide to run before the World Cup embarrassment next year. Whatever the real reason, me no care. Stuart Law to take for himself long time. I was never in favor of the West Indies as former kingpins of world cricket carrying an Australian journeyman come here to teach West Indian players how to bat, bowl and field. This was always wrong to me. It even worse. Him come here and turn out to be an abysmal failure. The West Indies actually have gotten worse in all three formats of the game. In the almost 2 years this man has been in charge, the West Indies has a less than 50% win record in all three formats, including in T20, where we are the world champions. The results aside though, none of the things that Stuart Law came here to fix has been fixed. West Indies never good when he arrived, and they will be worse when he departs. All Stuart Law has done since he's been here is to collect him fat check and sink West Indies cricket deeper into nothingness. I hope that Cricket West Indies find back them roots and get back a West Indian to coach West Indies cricket. No better mackerel, no better herring. Better keep plain and raw. Happy riddance, Stuart Law.